Imagine a place where evolution has taken a detour, crafting creatures so peculiar and captivating that they seem to belong to another planet. That place is Madagascar, an island nation unlike any other. More than 80% of the animals that roam this land are found nowhere else on Earth. From lemurs with eyes that pierce the darkness to chameleons that vanish into the foliage, Madagascar's wildlife is a ceaseless source of astonishment. Get ready to explore the wonders of one of our planet's most unique biodiversity hotspots and meet some of the most astonishing creatures on Earth. 1. Nocturnal geckos, masters of disappearing, the art of the invisible. Think you've mastered the art of blending in? Think again. Madagascar's nocturnal geckos of the genus Euryplatus are veritable illusionists. These camouflage connoisseurs have perfected the art of disappearing, some mirroring the rough texture of tree bark with uncanny precision, others masquerading as dried leaves scattered upon the forest floor. The leaf-tailed geckos, in particular, are a testament to the power of natural selection. They not only mimic the color and texture of their surroundings, but also possess fringed skin flaps along their bodies to break up their outlines, further enhancing their camouflage. A prime example is Euryplatus ebonai, the spearpoint leaf-tailed gecko, a true chameleon of the arboreal world. These remarkable reptiles embody stealth and survival. Asterisk, but here's a secret. They don't just look like their surroundings, they can also flatten their bodies to eliminate shadows, making them even harder to spot. This remarkable ability is achieved by specialized musculature that allows them to press themselves against surfaces, becoming virtually undetectable. Scientists are studying the unique skin structures of these geckos, hoping to inspire new camouflage technologies for military and civilian applications. 2. Nature's strangest primate, the finger of fate. Prepare to encounter a lemur that shatters all expectations, the This nocturnal, cat-sized primate looks as if it were assembled from a bizarre collection of spare parts. Bat-like ears, a bushy foxtail, and ever-growing rodent teeth. Yet, it is the hands that truly astound. Forget all preconceived notions of primate anatomy, for this creature possesses a hand unlike any other. Its middle finger, elongated and spindly, is a specialized tool for a unique hunting strategy known as percussive foraging. The taps upon tree trunks, listening for the telltale echo of insect larvae beneath the surface. It then employs its sharp, ever-growing incisors to gnaw an opening and extracts its prize with its bony digit. The is a master of its ecological niche, uniquely adapted to exploit resources unavailable to other primates. Historically, the was feared in some Madagascan cultures, seen as an omen of bad luck or even death. They were often killed on sight, which sadly contributed to their endangered status. This deep-seated superstition, rooted in misunderstanding, continues to threaten the i's survival even today. Imagine watching an hunt in the dead of night, a truly bizarre, yet remarkably ingenious adaptation. The eerie silence of the rainforest is punctuated by the rhythmic tapping and scratching of this remarkable creature. Further research into the i's unique hunting techniques could provide valuable insights into animal intelligence and problem-solving. 3. Giraffe-necked weevil. Nature's little neck stretcher, a neck above the rest. Madagascar is a treasure trove of nature's ingenuity, and few examples are as striking as the giraffe-necked weevil. This vibrant beetle, adorned in hues of red and black, possesses a neck that defies convention, stretching to improbable lengths. The function of this elongated neck is primarily related to mating rituals and nest construction. Males with longer necks are more successful at attracting mates, engaging in fierce battles to establish dominance and win the affections of females. They also use their necks to construct elaborate leaf nests for their offspring, carefully rolling and securing leaves to create a safe haven for their eggs. The degree of neck elongation is a sexually selected trait, indicating male health and fitness. The process of building a nest can take hours, even days, and the male fiercely defends his creation from rivals, engaging in pushing and shoving contests that test the strength and length of their necks. The competition can be intense, with males sometimes damaging each other's nests in their efforts to secure a mate. 4. Labyrinth's chameleon, the shortest life in the vertebrate world, live fast. Diang. Madagascar reigns supreme as the chameleon capital of the world, boasting over half of the planet's known species. From the colossal Parsons chameleon to the diminutive pygmy, stump-tailed chameleon, the island is a haven for these color-shifting reptiles. Yet, none are quite as unique as Labyrinth's chameleon, Furcifer labordi, renowned for its exceptionally brief lifespan, living for merely 4 to 5 months. This chameleon has the shortest lifespan of any land vertebrate. Their entire life cycle is dictated by the harsh rhythms of the Madagascan climate. Eggs hatch during the rainy season, and in mere weeks, the young chameleons reach maturity, ready to breed. The males engage in fierce territorial battles, displaying vibrant colors and elaborate postures to assert their dominance. As the dry season descends, the adults perish, leaving the fate of their species to the next generation, patiently awaiting the rains beneath the earth. This ephemeral existence makes Labyrinth's chameleon a truly remarkable example of rapid development and adaptation. Despite their fleeting existence, Labyrinth's chameleons are incredibly prolific breeders, laying clutches of eggs that can number in the hundreds, ensuring the survival of their species against all odds. Their reproductive strategy is a high-stakes gamble, relying on the success of each generation to perpetuate the lineage. Imagine the race against time. Hatching during the rainy season, these chameleons mature in weeks, breed, and then perish as the dry season descends, leaving their eggs to await the next rains. It's a dramatic cycle of life and death played out against the backdrop of the Madagascan landscape. 5. Usidy birds, Malagasy's avian oddballs, waddles, and acrobatics. The 4 members of the Usidy family, Philippidae, are a testament to Madagascar's unique evolutionary trajectory. These birds, found nowhere else on Earth, showcase a remarkable diversity in morphology and behavior. The velvet Usidy, Philoppida castanea, and Schlegel's Usidy, Philoppida schlegeli, are stout and resemble broadbills, exhibiting an almost unbird-like demeanor. They are typically found foraging in the understory, feeding on fruits and insects. The other 2, the common sunbird Usidy, Neodrepanese coruscans, and yellow-bellied sunbird Usidy, Neodrepanese hypoxantha, were once misclassified as false sunbirds due to their long, curved beaks, ideally suited for nectar consumption. They flit among the flowering trees, playing a vital role in pollination. Science has since revealed their true kinship to the Usidy lineage, highlighting the importance of genetic analysis in understanding evolutionary relationships. Males of all 4 species flaunt near-fluorescent blue and green facial wattles during the breeding season. A captivating spectacle. The males perform acrobatic displays and participate in communal leks to impress females. Their courtship rituals involve elaborate vocalizations and synchronized movements, creating a mesmerizing spectacle in the rainforest. These lekking displays can attract dozens of males vying for the attention of a single female, creating a cacophony of calls and dazzling visual displays. The competition is fierce, and only the most impressive males succeed in winning a mate. 6. Fosa, Madagascar's top predator, the ghost of the forest. Behold the most formidable carnivore on the island of Madagascar, the lithe and potent Fosa, Cryptoprocta ferox. Imagine a cross between a puma and a mongoose. That's a Fosa. Though resembling a diminutive puma, the Fosa is, in reality, more closely related to the mongoose family. This agile predator boasts semi-retractable claws and flexible ankles, enabling it to excel both in the trees and on the ground. It is a highly adaptable hunter, capable of ambushing prey from the forest floor or pursuing them through the canopy with remarkable speed and agility. Its preferred diet primarily consists of lemurs, including the acrobatic shifok, which are renowned for their remarkable leaping abilities. In high-speed chases through the forest canopy, the fossa can effortlessly match the sifaka's incredible bounds. The fossa is a crucial keystone species in the Madagascar ecosystem, helping to regulate lemur populations and maintain the health of the forest. Fossas have a unique way of communicating with each other using scent glands, leaving smell messages on trees and rocks to mark their territory and signal their presence to potential mates or rivals. 7. Spear-nosed snakes. A tale of two noses, the deceptive serpent. Prepare to be amazed by the snakes of the genus Langaha. These endemic reptiles possess nasal adornments that defy imagination, showcasing a striking example of sexual dimorphism. The Madagascar spear-nosed snake, Langaha madagascariensis, displays this phenomenon most prominently. Males are a vibrant yellow and tan, and their namesake's spear-shaped appendage is a distinguishing characteristic. They use this appendage to attract females during mating season. Females, on the other hand, are clad in muted gray tones and feature a serrated, leaf-shaped nasal extension, allowing them to seamlessly blend with the surrounding foliage. This camouflage is essential for ambush predation, allowing them to lie in wait for unsuspecting prey. Scientists believe the purpose of the male's spear-like nose is to help them sense the presence of females by detecting pheromones released into the air. The female's leaf-shaped nose, on the other hand, provides superior camouflage, allowing them to blend seamlessly with the foliage and ambush unsuspecting prey. 8. Giant jumping rat. A kangaroo in a rat's body, leaping for survival. The largest of Madagascar's indigenous rodents, the giant jumping rat, Hypogemes antimina, is a truly distinctive creature. Sadly, this remarkable animal faces endangerment, restricted to the dry, deciduous forests of the Menabe region. Its population has declined dramatically due to habitat loss and hunting. It contends with a sluggish reproductive rate, extensive habitat devastation stemming from deforestation for agriculture and charcoal production, and a constrained habitat encompassing only 77 square miles. Yet visitors are often charmed by this rabbit-sized rodent, which possesses powerful hind limbs that enable it to traverse the forest floor with kangaroo-like bounds, particularly when pursued by predators such as the fossa. This bipedal locomotion is a unique adaptation that allows them to escape predators and navigate the dense undergrowth. Giant jumping rats are monogamous and live in family groups, with parents working together to protect and raise their young. They are highly social animals, communicating with each other through a variety of vocalizations and scent markings. 9. Parsons chameleon, the colossus of camouflage, giant of the canopy. Prepare to be humbled by the sheer size of the Parsons chameleon, Columba parsonii, the undisputed heavyweight champion of the chameleon world. Attaining lengths of up to 2 feet, 68 centimeters, this majestic reptile is a gentle giant among its kin. These mostly verdant chameleons inhabit the verdant rainforests and sport prominent ridges, culminating in diminutive horns, while also possessing the ability to alter their coloration to blend in with their surroundings. They are masters of camouflage, capable of changing their skin color to match their environment and communicate with each other. The species also has an incredibly lengthy incubation duration, taking 2 years to hatch, one of the longest incubation periods of any reptile. This extended development time makes them particularly vulnerable to environmental changes. Because of their slow development and long incubation period, Parsons chameleons are particularly vulnerable to habitat loss and climate change. 10. Madame Bert's mouse lemur, the world's tiniest primate, miniature marvel. No survey of Madagascar's wildlife would be complete without Madame Bert's mouse lemur, Microcebus berthi, the world's smallest primate. Weighing just 1 ounce, 30 grams, and measuring less than 3.6 inches long, this tiny creature inhabits the endangered dry deciduous forests of western Madagascar. It is nocturnal, foraging for insects and fruit in dense undergrowth. Habitat loss and fragmentation pose a significant threat to its survival. Despite its small size, Madame Bert's mouse lemur is agile and can leap 10 times its body length. They are also very vocal, communicating with each other through a series of high-pitched calls. Madagascar's biodiversity is a global treasure, a testament to the power and beauty of evolution. Which of these animals has stolen your heart? Share your favorite Malagasy wonder in the comments below. We'd love to hear what captivated you. If you want to learn more about the mysterious nature around us, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. For now, thanks for listening, bye, and see you soon.